The top there, some whipped cream. Of course, you go wrong with that. Can never, ever, ever go wrong with whipped cream, okay? Not bad. I don't think it is, but you never know. Oh! Whoa! Jamal! Helen Keller drives better than you. If you make one more turn like that, Jamal, you understand me? I'm gonna be dead and I'm not gonna be able to eat this blizzard, okay? Jamal! Everyone's always interrupting me. Deborah, Jamal, who's next? Overall, this blizzard, first of all, there's like 80 grams of sugar in this thing, by the way. I'll give it an A++. The more sugar, the better for me.